It's a beautiful sunny day at the beach. The construction crew are on holiday. Yippee! Digley and Dazey are playing tag. What's that? It's seaweed. And it's given Digley a great idea. They've collected some materials. What are they planning to build? Aha! A beach hut! What a great idea! It's almost complete. But it is missing a roof. Not to worry. Dazey has found a large sheet of metal they can use. Whoa! Steady, Dazey. It's quite tricky to carry. Watch out! Slow down, Dazey! Be careful! Oh no! Dazey is hurt! Amber the ambulance is here to check that Dazey's okay. That was quite a bump. Phew, she's okay. That's much better. They still need to add the roof on. But now Dazey is a bit scared. Digley isn't strong enough to carry it. But if they work together, they can do it. Hooray! Watch out for the seaweed. Dazey didn't give up. And now they've done it. Well done, Dazey. Mr. Rubble and Mrs. Skip are enjoying the shade.
It's a bright new day at Construction HQ. Digley and Dazey are so excited to see what they'll build today. Oh wow! A Ferris wheel! This will be so much fun! Now they're at the fairground. The wheel is almost ready. Dazey is just lifting it up. Boing! There, it's finished. But who's going to take a ride in it first? Hooray! Digley is having a go. Dazey throws the switch and up Digley goes. But uh-oh, something is wrong. Oh dear, the wheel stopped. Digley is stuck at the top. There must be a way to get him down. Dazey has an idea. Whoosh! A pillow to jump on? I don't think that's going to work. Dazey will have to think of something else. She's off again. Whoosh! Look, now Dazey is trying to pull the wheel round, but it's no good. It's stuck tight. But now she has another idea. Blocks? I wonder what Dazey is up to. Whoa! She's built steps all the way up to Digley. Here's Mrs. Skip. Oh wow! She's got a ramp to put on top of the blocks. They could turn it into a giant slide. Whee! That was so much fun! Digley is fixing the wheel controls. Good as new. The Ferris wheel is ready. But look, Digley and Dazey just want to use it to slide down the slide. It looks like so much fun. They haven't just built one fairground ride, they've built two.
The crew are arriving at Construction HQ. I wonder what's in store today. Wow, they're painting a rainbow building. This is going to be a lot of fun. Look at all those colourful paints. Time to get started. It's purple first. Digley and Dazey are on two platforms that are connected. Dazey is starting with red at the top. She's lowering down her platform. But oops, it's made Digley go up. That's not right. Digley lowers his platform again. But that has lifted Dazey's up. Oh dear, this isn't going to plan. Whoa! Watch out, Mr. Rubble. Mr. Rubble is covered in paint. Daisy looks determined to fix this. Up she goes, but that sends Digley down again. Look out! Oh dear. This is getting very messy. How are Digley and Daisy going to fix this? Oh, Digley has realised that they're both connected and they need to work together as a team. That's much better. Great job, guys. Wow, that building looks amazing. What a great day's work. Uh-oh. Look out for that paint, Mr. Rubble. Not again. Another sunny day at Construction HQ. I wonder what they're building today. Oh, nice. A barn. This looks like a good spot to start building. First, they need to lay these planks down. Haha! Nice one, Bump. But what's this? A bunny? Oh no! They're building the barn all over the bunny's home, but I don't think the crew have noticed. The bunnies are definitely not happy. What are they going to do? This bunny has jumped up onto the bricks. What is she doing? She's trying to take one of the bricks. Oh, here comes Bump. I don't think he noticed the bunny. Now Daisy has put some pipes down. And that bunny has pushed them over. And now the bunny has taken that pipe. What are they up to? Now Digley is laying out his tools. But one of the bunnies is moving his hammer. And now they're moving his screwdriver too. Digley doesn't get it. Where did his tools go? The whole construction crew are very confused. How do things keep going missing? It's such a mystery. Wait! Now they know the bunnies are the ones moving everything. But why? Oh! They've moved everything into another field. They want the crew to build the barn over there instead, so it's not on top of their rabbit holes. Now Daisy gets it. Now the crew have moved all the building materials into the other field, just like the bunnies wanted. In no time at all, the barn is all finished, all good in the new field. The bunnies are so happy. Well done, team.
It's another windy day at Construction HQ. That wind really is blowing today. But today they're building a bigger enclosure for the sheep at the farm. Oh dear. The old sheep enclosure is far too small. Good job they're building a new one. That wind really is cold. And whoa, strong as well. But wait, what's Digley seeing? Look, it's an old farm windmill, but it's wobbling all over the place in the wind. I think it's going to collapse. They have to stop it falling onto the sheep. Phew. Good job, Daisy. Now it's falling towards the pigs. Uh-oh, look out. Phew, Daisy saved it again. Now it's falling back towards the sheep again. Oh dear. This is no good at all. What are they going to do? Wait, I think Digley has an idea. Digley's climbed up on a box. He's taken the wheel off the top. Ah, he's taking the old tower apart from the top down, so it can't fall over and hurt anyone. In no time at all, they've taken the tower apart. Now what can they do with all these planks of wood? They can recycle all the old planks from the tower and use them to build a bigger pen for the sheep. It's always good to build something new out of something old, instead of throwing things away. There, now the sheep have a much bigger place to play. Good job, everyone. It's still a bit windy. Uh-oh, Mr. Rubble's hat. One of the sheep has it. Now he's got to get it.
Build a course for crazy golf, crazy golf, crazy golf. Build a course for crazy golf with Digley and Dazey. Mr. Rubble gives a try, takes a swing, lets it fly. Ball goes up, then it comes down, it zooms in a loop, spinning round and round. Build a course for crazy golf, crazy golf, crazy golf. Build a course for crazy golf with Digley and Dazey. Digley tries to lend a hand, ball flies out, watch it land. Mr. Rubble, use your skill, it's heading for the big windmill. Build a course for crazy golf, crazy golf, crazy golf. Build a course for crazy golf with Digley and Dazey. It's Digley's turn to take his go. Ball goes high, ball goes low. Pings around, it's lots of fun. Digley got a hole in one. Build a course for crazy golf, crazy golf, crazy golf. Build a course for crazy golf with Digley and Dazey.
What are the construction crew up to today? Whoa! A giant Easter egg? Everyone is hard at work preparing for the giant chocolate egg. Daisy and Mrs. Skip are mixing the perfect chocolatey blend. Good work, CJ. Time to fill the mould up with all that lovely chocolate. There's Buster. He's excited to dig into his own chocolate egg. Whoops! Watch out! Oh no! Where did Mr. Rubble go? Careful, Buster! Mr. Rubble is trapped inside the giant chocolate egg. What's he going to do? The egg looks amazing. But what's making that noise inside the egg? It's Mr. Rubble, trying to get out. The giant egg has broken free. Watch out! Quick, guys, catch it if you can. Phew, good catch, CJ. Uh-oh, the egg is rolling out of control and it's making a huge mess. Watch out! Good swing, Daisy. Look out! Here it comes! Mr. Rubble is free! Oh, but the chocolate egg is broken. CJ has an idea. They're mixing up some chocolate glue to put it back together. What a great idea! There, good as new. And Buster's still got to have some chocolate. What an adventure! The gang are getting ready for Halloween. And today, they're building a pumpkin stand at the farm. Digley is putting on the finishing touches. Oh look, it's Terry Tractor. He looks very happy with his new stand. Oops, all the pumpkins are falling. Oh dear, Daisy is covered in pumpkin. She looks a bit scary. She looks like a pumpkin monster. Look, it's Buster and Scout. Ah! Daisy has scared them away. It's given Daisy an idea. Buster and Scout are terrified of the pumpkin monster. There it is. Digley knows it's only Daisy, and it's given him an idea for a prank as well. Daisy is trying to scare Digley. But what's that? Boo! Don't worry, Daisy. It was just Scout, Digley and Buster, dressed up like pumpkins. Here's Terry the tractor to check up on them. What's all this? What a scary bunch! Terry is rewarding them all for their hard work with a fruit basket. Yum, yum. It's a summery day at Construction HQ. What's happening? Mr. Rubble seems very nervous. They're off on holiday to the beach. Hooray! Mr. Rubble was just tricking them. Digley is building a sandcastle. Whoa! Daisy's sandcastle is huge. Digley wishes his sandcastle was that big. Mr. Rubble is happily sunbathing. Oops! Who was that?
Oh?
It's Buster and Scout. They're on holiday too. Digley is finishing off his new sandcastle. That's great, Digley. Daisy asked Buster to help her build an even bigger one. Look out, Mrs. Skip. Oops. Wow! Look at that! Their castle even has a moat. Digley and Scout think they can do better. Wow! That's amazing! Hang on a second. Looks like the tide is coming in. It could ruin their sandcastles. Quick, everyone! They need to work together to build a wall. Mr. Rubble is fast asleep. The tide! Quick! Oh no! Mrs. Skip! Watch out! Phew! They're okay. What an eventful day at the beach. It's a windy day at Construction HQ. That's a cool windmill, Daisy. And today, they're going to be building a wind turbine. Awesome! They need to attach a propeller to the pole at the top of that hill. Daisy's carrying the propeller up, but it's a bit windy. Whoa! Be careful! Oh dear! The wind blew her straight off the hill. But Bump will help Daisy get back up. Phew, the propeller is okay. Digley and Daisy are trying again. Digley is helping this time. Mr. Rubble isn't happy about all this mess. Time for Bump to get to work. The wind is back, but Bump has noticed that the windsock flies whenever it's windy. Digley and Daisy are being blown down the hill again. The wind is back, and Bump is signalling to tell them to stop carrying the propeller. Looks like it worked. Now it's stopped, they can carry on. Go, go, go! Stop! What brilliant teamwork! Hooray! They made it to the top of the hill. Whoa! That was a close one. Now it's time to attach it to the pole. It worked! Great job, team! And look! It's powering the city's lights. How amazing! It was definitely worth all that work.
Ooh, Digley has a new book. Everyone wants to see. It's all about dinosaurs. But Mr. Rubble is waiting. It's time to start work. Today they're building a roundabout. Soon everyone is hard at work. Digley just wants to read his book. But now isn't the time. There's work to do. Wait, what's Digley found? It looks like some old bones. I wonder what they are. Daisy's collecting them up. There are so many. Oh, I think they're dinosaur bones. Now they just need to put them together like a jigsaw puzzle. Everyone is helping put the dinosaur bones together. Done. That doesn't look right. Oh dear, they'll have to try again. What about now? Nope, that's not right either. But wait, on the front cover, that's it. It's a T-Rex skeleton. Now they know what it is, they can put it together properly. Nice work, everyone. Now it can stand in the middle of the roundabout.
What are the crew working on today? They're fixing up a school soccer field. Yippee! It's looking a bit overgrown. And the goals are falling apart. Time to get to work. Bump is laying new grass and CJ's painting fresh white lines, whilst Digley and Dazey are fixing the goals. Great teamwork, gang. And it looks good as new. Time to test it out. Mr. Rubble is referee, and it's boys versus girls. Let's play. Digley kicks to Bump, and Bump charges for the goal. Whoa! Steady there, Bump. That was a very big kick. Whoa! Bump really wants to win. Dazey passes to CJ, but Bump tackles CJ to the ground. Oh dear! That wasn't very nice, Bump. He should have been more friendly. Mr. Rubble is giving Bump a yellow card. He doesn't look very happy. Digley is in goal, but Bump pushes Digley out the way. Poor Digley. CJ scores! Hooray! It's okay, Bump. It's just a game. Digley passes to Bump, and Bump is about to charge. But Bump realises he's been too rough, and he needs to be kinder. Bump passes, and Digley scores! See? Everything is much better when you play nicely together. It's Halloween at Construction HQ, and the gang are about to go trick-or-treating. Mr. Rubble is very proud of his costume. Cowboys aren't that scary, Mr. Rubble. It's time to head off. Mr. Rubble is putting Kitten to bed. Night-night, Kitten. What is she up to? The gang are off trick-or-treating. That's a very scary house. Daisy is scared to knock. You can do it, Daisy. The door was open. It's a bit spooky in here. How did that bucket fall over? And what are those footprints? There's a monster in here. And it's under Mr. Rubble's hat. What is it? It was just Kitten all along. This house isn't haunted after all. Oh, Kitten, you're so cheeky. Before they go, it's time to fix that creaky door. Digley is oiling it to stop it from creaking. And the creak is gone. That's much better. Happy Halloween! It's another busy day at Construction HQ. And Mr. Rubble is in a rush. Oops! Careful! Bump's block tower looks wobbly. What's that sound? Let's go check it out. It's Iggy the ice cream truck. Oh, yum! That looks delicious. The crew are going to grab an ice cream as well. Oh no! CJ accidentally knocked into Bump's block tower, and now it's blocking their way out. How are they going to get an ice cream now? Daisy has an idea. She's built a ramp over the fence. That's very clever. Go on, CJ. She's got to the top. But oh no! It wasn't strong enough. Daisy has another idea. Oh, a seesaw! They can use it to bounce over the fence. Whoa! Look at Digley go! They're bouncing really high, but this might not help them get out. Digley is on the case. He's digging a hole so they can get out under the fence. Off he goes! Did he reach the ice cream van? Ah! A lion! This must be the zoo. One last go. They're going to knock the fence down together. Go, go, go! They did it! Well done, everyone. And there's Iggy the ice cream truck. Finally, they can get their ice cream. Yummy! Another? Yay! That was so much fun. But who's that? It's Mr. Rubble. He was off getting ice cream for the gang. Uh-oh. It looks like they've got some cleaning up to do now.
Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. It fits with a swing. Come on, Digley, plug it in. Oh no, something's wrong. The lights are out, the power's gone. Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. Take a look behind, then we'll see what you can find. Ah, yes, now you see. No time to waste. Follow that lead. Digley and Dazey working on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right. Watch out, sparks and smoke. The big generator's broke. Fix it if you can, but Daisy has a different plan. Use light from the sun. Solar power is the one. Now the job is done. CJ, you can turn them on. Digley and Dazey are out on the road today, fixing traffic lights, working hard to get it right.
It's a bright sunny day at Construction HQ. Everyone is excited to start work. Today, they need to repair an old bridge that's collapsed in the middle. That'll be fun. The team arrive happily at the broken bridge. Wow, look at all the holes. But they need to get their planks at the far side to fix it. Where's Daisy going? Whoa! Mr. Rubble almost got knocked over the edge. Daisy can't get over the gap. But maybe she can reach the planks with a hook. Oh, nearly! Give it another go. Oh no, she's knocked it into the river. But at least Daisy tried. What are they going to do now? Digley's got it. He's going to try and reach across. Watch out, the plank is collapsing. Phew. Great save, Daisy. But how are they going to get across and get those planks? Wait a minute. I think Digley has a plan, watching Daisy's hook swing back and forth. Oh, they're going to swing Mr. Rubble over the gap. That's a long way down, and Mr. Rubble doesn't like heights. He's nervous, but Digley and CJ are encouraging him. Go on, Mr. Rubble. Be brave. You can do it. Mr. Rubble is swinging. This isn't so bad. It's actually great fun. He's having a great time. He can grab the planks on that side and deliver them to the crew on the other side. Now, with a bit of cement to stick it, the bridge will be repaired in no time. There, all done. Good job, team. But look. Mr. Rubble is still swinging. He's having so much fun, he doesn't want to stop. What are the construction crew up to today? An obstacle course? That looks like so much fun. Digley is digging a hole. And it looks like Bump is putting a ramp in place. The crew are all lined up and ready to test it out. The first one to get to the finish line gets that shiny trophy. Ready, set, go! CJ's in the lead. She's looking pretty fast. Digley is a bit behind, but he's trying his best. Oh no! CJ has gone face first into the mud pit obstacle and is now stuck in the mud. Now Bump is in the lead. The mud is no problem for his big crawler tracks. Up the ramp, now it's time to cross the narrow bridge. Bump is up first. What was that? A wrecking ball? Oops! Bad luck, Bump. Mrs. Skip is controlling the wrecking ball as another obstacle to get past. Nice dodge, Daisy. You can't beat a wrecking ball with a wrecking ball. Whoa! What knocked CJ over? It's Mr. Rubble. He's using a paint blaster to try and knock them off. Daisy's really good at dodging them. Careful, Digley. Phew, he caught himself on the monkey bars. He might be slow on his crawler tracks, but he's super fast when he's using his strong arm. Digley and Daisy are almost at the finish line. It's so close. They've just got to get down the ramp. Whoa! They crossed the line together. Looks like they both came in first place. Well done, guys. Digley is arriving at Construction HQ. The gang are about to find out what they're building today. Wow! Is that a racetrack? Now this is going to be fun. They are placing the winner's podium onto the course. What was that? Now it's complete. Mr. Rubble wants them to test out the course. Daisy is so excited. She's very fast. On your marks, get set, go! They're approaching the first corner and Daisy's in the lead. She's zooming ahead. Watch out, Mr. Rubble. She flies across the ramp. Careful, Bump. This ramp isn't as easy for everyone else. Digley is a bit slower because he's got one track smaller than the other. Daisy doesn't think this race is fair. She's spotted some bricks left over from the build. Aha! Looks like she's got an idea. Daisy wants Digley to feel more included. Bump and Daisy have attached some bricks to their tracks to make the race more fun. Now Digley doesn't have to feel left out. Go, go, go! Off they go around the corner. Wow! Everyone is equally fast. They're going up the ramp. Everyone is having so much fun. Around the bend. I wonder who's going to win. They're coming up to the finish line and Bump is the winner. Hooray! What a brilliant race. Well done, everyone. That was great. Races are much more exciting when everyone is included. I wonder what the construction club will learn today. Oh, I think Mr. Rubble is going to teach them how to make concrete. He's mixing cement, gravel, sand, and a little bit of water. Now they're mixing it up really well. And wow, it sets hard as rock. Now it's their turn. Let's do this. Everyone's helping with adding the ingredients, and CJ is going to mix them together. 1 bag of cement, some gravel, some water. Oops, careful! Now all that's left is the sand. But that doesn't look like sand. Good mixing, CJ. Oh dear! That looks more like slime than cement. Whoa! Let's try it again. 1 bag of cement, 1 of gravel, and 1 of sand. That's a lot of water, Digley. Go, CJ, go! That looks better. Oh, but it's too splashy. Oh no. Bad luck, Mr. Rubble. 3rd time lucky. Sand, then cement, some gravel, and just a bit of water. Well done, everyone. Now mix, mix, mix. Look out, Mr. Rubble. Oh no, he's stuck. But wait, the concrete is perfect. Well done, crew. They earned their concrete mixing badges for making a perfect batch of concrete. But they might need to help Mr. Rubble out now.
The whole construction crew are getting ready for today's job. They're building that crumbly old building. That can't be right. Oh, they're demolishing the building. Daisy is so excited. Soon enough, it's time to get to work. The building looks like it could fall down any moment. It'll be safer to knock it down. Everyone is ready to get started. But wait! Stop, everyone! There's a little kitten beside it. Oh no! The kitten could get hurt if they knock it down now. Phew! Digley stopped them just in time. They need to get the kitten out of harm's way. She's so cute. Ooh, I think Mr. Rubble's afraid of cats. The kitten ran back inside. Oh dear, they can't knock down the building with the kitten inside. Digley's trying to get her to come out with some milk. Daisy wants to pet the kitten, but Digley thinks that will frighten her. Oh no, Daisy accidentally hit the building. I think it's going to collapse, but the cat is still inside. What will they do? Maybe Mr. Rubble can help, but he'll have to face his fear of cats. Mr. Rubble is small enough to fit inside. Phew! Mr. Rubble saved the kitten, and just in time. That was a close one. Mr. Rubble was very brave to rescue the kitten. I think he's got over his fear of cats now. He's made a friend. It's a very windy day at Construction HQ. I wonder what they'll be building today. Oh wow! The towpath for the canal. That looks amazing. To build a towpath, they'll need paving slabs. Here comes Rocky the riverboat to deliver them. Ooh, it is windy today. Rocky loves to listen to music on his big headphones. There. Now to unload the slabs. Gently there. Thanks, Rocky. Now the crew can get to work on the towpath. But the wind is picking up. Oh no! Mr. Rubble's hat. It's landed on the back of Rocky. Not to worry. Mrs. Skip can get it. She's even trying it on. Oh no! Rocky is sailing on. But he doesn't realise Mrs. Skip is still on the back. Come back, Rocky. He can't hear them because of his big headphones. What's Mrs. Skip going to do? She can't get carried off down the river. Who knows where she'll end up? They have to get Rocky's attention somehow. Watch where you're going, Mr. Rubble. Oops, Mr. Rubble hit a box. Digley is racing ahead to try and stop Rocky. Maybe he can get his attention with this ball. Good thing Mrs. Skip has the helmet. What's Daisy up to? She's brought the stack of slabs. I wonder what her plan is. She's hopping up on top. Hooray! She saved Mrs. Skip. She's back on dry land, safe and sound. Phew. Later on, and the towpath is almost finished. Rocky is drifting past again, still listening to his music. He never knew anything was wrong.
The construction crew are at the park. Look at all those rainbow-coloured flower beds. But it looks like some colours are missing. They need to plant the yellow and purple flowers to complete the rainbow. But wait! Mr. Rubble has a plan. What's this? A robot digger? Mr. Rubble is really excited to test the robot. But Digley and Dazey aren't so sure it's a good idea. Here we go. Time to dig. Wow! Looks like it's working. But now Digley and Dazey have nothing to do. What's Kitten up to? Oh no! She's taken the remote for the digger. Now the robot is out of control and he's making a mess everywhere. Digley and Dazey have to do something. Digley is trying to catch the robot, but it's not an easy job. Oh no! Almost, Digley. Dazey is trying to catch Kitten. Oops! Sorry, Mr. Rubble. The robot is making a huge mess. They need to stop it quickly. Quick, Digley, quick! Phew! Mr. Rubble has grabbed Kitten from the tree. Nice work, Dazey. And Digley managed to catch the robot. Phew! That was a close one. The crew have cleaned up all the mess and they planted all the flowers. Great teamwork, guys. They even found a new job for Robot Digger. Well done, everyone. The construction club are going on a trip to the fire station. They're going to make some changes to it. This is how it looks now. And this is how it's going to look after. It's going to be fantastic. First, Daisy is going to help knock the old building down. Nice swing, Daisy. There we go. Good as new. Now, they just need to check everything works, so it's ready for a real emergency. First, let's test the fire alarm. Oops, that's not the right noise. And that's very loud. Mr. Rubble wants them to turn it off. Phew. Well, at least it's working. Next, they need to test the fire station doors. Looks like they shut perfectly. But oh no, the door isn't opening again. It's stuck. Meanwhile, Digley is going to test the fire hose. Hooray! That works really well. Uh-oh, the tap isn't turning off and the station is flooding. Careful, Daisy. Digley is still trapped inside. What are Daisy and Mr. Rubble going to do now? The water is still rising. This better work. It worked! Out comes all the water. Ashley has turned off the tap. And I think she likes her new home. Mission accomplished. Nice work, team. Today, Mr. Rubble has an exciting plan for the crew. Hang on. That's not the right plan. Aha! There it is. They're building a park. The crew are ready to get started. First, they need to knock down the old building. That's an easy task for Daisy. She's nearly finished knocking it down. Huh? What's that? Little frogs? Where did you come from? This park is their home. The crew can't build here. Where would the frogs live? Don't worry, gang. Bump has an idea. He's distracting Mr. Rubble. While Digley and Daisy make some changes to Mr. Rubble's plan. They're building a new home for these 5 little frogs. Sorry, Mr. Rubble. First, Digley is cleaning up the pond, making it nice and clean. The frogs look very happy about this. Next, they've got to lay some fresh grass. Whoa! Great teamwork, guys! Oh no! Mr. Rubble has realised their plan to add a pond. He's not happy. Well, well, well. He likes the changes after all. The park looks amazing. And the frogs love it. What a beautiful new home for some very cheeky little frogs. It's Construction HQ. What's in store today? Those flowers don't look very well. They need some water. Time to save those flowers. Daddy Bus is very worried about his flowers. Not to worry, the gang are here to help. Those flowers really need some water, but the sprinkler is broken. There is no water coming out. What are they going to do? Aha! A water wheel! Maybe this can help somehow. When the water wheel moves, Water comes out of the sprinkler. Keep it moving, Digley. Oopsie! How do they keep the water wheel moving? Daisy is splashing the water. When the water moves, it pushes the wheel. Hooray! Look at all that water! Wait, what? The water has stopped moving. That big pink ball is blocking the slide and stopping the water coming down to move the water wheel. Daisy is going to push the ball down. Uh-oh, the ball is very bouncy. It's Digley's turn. Go on, Digley, you can do it. Daisy is helping. Almost there. Whee! It worked! They did it! The sprinkler is working again. And the flowers are back to life. What brilliant work, team! Time for a reward. Whee! Look at them go!